Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. We're diving into how to install an ad blocker on your Insignia Fire TV. If you're tired of those pesky ads interrupting your favorite shows or apps, stick around because I'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. The first thing you need to do is enable installation from unknown sources on your Insignia Fire TV. Here's how. Go to the home screen. Navigate to Settings. Select My Fire TV. Choose Developer Options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. Step 2. Download and install Downloader app. Next, we'll download an app called Downloader, which will help us get the ad blocker. From the home screen, go to the search icon magnifying glass. Type in Downloader and select it from the list. Click on Download or get to install the Downloader app. Step 3. Download AdBlocker APK file. Now, let's get the AdBlocker APK file onto your Fire TV. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, enter the direct download link for the AdBlocker APK file. You can find this link from the AdBlocker's official website or trusted sources. Click on Go or Download. Step 4. Install AdBlocker. Once the APK file is downloaded, it's time to install the AdBlocker on your Insignia Fire TV. The Downloader app will prompt you to install the APK file. Click on Install. After installation, click on Done or Open. Step 5. Launch and configure AdBlocker. Now that the AdBlocker is installed, let's launch it and make sure it's set up correctly. Find the AdBlocker app in your Apps section on the home screen. Open the app. Follow any initial setup instructions provided by the AdBlocker. You may need to adjust settings within the AdBlocker app according to your preferences. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully installed an AdBlocker on your Insignia Fire TV, helping you enjoy your content without those intrusive ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't